And we got a signal service starting up. Now, the signal service is generating a lot of interest. And the reason is that what we've done in the newsletter to this point in time is I run a newsletter portfolio. And what I do is run a series of shares in this notional portfolio from signals that happen during the week. And what people have been asking me for years is that why don't we do a service where why don't you expand the service and have it so that you're actually telling us on the day that you go in. And that's what we're doing. So we'll be starting up in the next couple of weeks, and what we're going to have is 2 services, one for traders, so they'll be trading very similar to the newsletter notional portfolio. The other is much more longer term. It's a weekly chart, probably for a longer term trading, maybe for people who have their self-managed super fund. And that'll be you'll have to pay attention to both of them because they're going to come out on a nightly basis. So in the evening, after I get the information from the stock exchange, I will be analyzing the positions that we already have in the market and determining whether we should be putting a new position in tomorrow or getting out of a position tomorrow. And that information will generally be in the evening or by 9 o'clock the following morning, depending on where I am in the world. Because if I'm in the Seattle area, it means that the end of the day here is the middle of the night. So I'll end up getting up in the morning and running through the spreadsheets and notifying you by email that the signal service is ready for you to download, and you go to the site and you have a look at the site. Okay? It's signal service. This is going to be a game changer for many of our clients because some of them are going to want to trade their own account, but they're going to want to diversify. They're going to want to take that account that they've been trading now and they're going to cut it in half, and they're going to use the signal service. And they're going to have then 2 portfolios with different companies in each, so it's a little bit more of a diversification. Plus, they feel a lot more comfortable because they've maybe they're a beginning trader and they're having a little bit of a problem sometimes with the emotional side of it and the fear and the greed. And with the other side of it, with the signal service, all they have to do is follow the signals. So they'll be a lot more comfortable about the trades because instead of giving it to them on the weekends and saying, oh, Jim had a trade, he got in on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, they're actually going to get that signal, and they're also going to go in on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. If they choose. Remember, this is still general advice. So the signal service is educational, but as you'll see that there's a number of trades that have gone through in the 6 or 7 months that we've been testing it and running it, and you'll see that you could enter at any time during that time frame and end up with the same results or similar results.